Tēnā koutou katoa no mai hoki mai, and another big hearty welcome to those who have just joined us on our channel, where we get to talk about all things motorcycles, rides, events, people and more with a Māori flavour. I'm Tiki Edu Biker, Māori artist, founding member of Tribal Nations MC. If you haven't already, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe, like and hit that bell so you don't miss the bus. You don't have to be a rider to be a subscriber. Big ups to the Te Turu crew for their hard work the weekend gone in organising the Rats Riders Against Teen Suicide event in the South Island town of Ashburton. To the riders who braved the long journey from the four corners of Aotearoa to get there, and to the Base Youth Centre, the recipient of the event. Te Turu means the seat of Maui's canoe and is the name given to Tribal Nations' central region of the South Island. South Island, Te Waipounamu in Māori, translate to the waters or the place of greenstone, better known in Māori as Te Waka a Maui, meaning Maui's canoe, boasting some of the best riding roads and natural scenery in the world. According to ancient Māori, Maui the magician, demigod, warrior, mischievous and professional Haututu stood on his waka with his fishing line and used it to fish up the North Island, and is how North Island was created. But that's another story. This weekend on the 5th of November, two Rats Riders Against Teen Suicide events back to back, again in Te Waipounamu, but this time in the south of Otago, and the other event in the North Island of Auckland, not to be missed. Te amorangi ki mua te hāpai o ki muri, meaning leading at the front, supported from behind. The strength of a motorcycle club is dependent on the support behind the scenes. For Tribal Nations, they are the organisers, partners, mothers, fathers, wives who work diligently in the background, the unsung heroes, te hāpai o ki muri. For those travelling overseas, especially for the first time, do take the time to see your own country to appreciate the beauty of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Final note, because we've been talking about Te Waipounamu, I'm going to play a small video of me and the bro, the legendary Edu Whare from the Tiki Edu Biker show. Koe nā tātou, that's us, nō reira, ka piki te ora kia tātou, katoa, mā te atua, hei manaaki. Until the next video, where I'll be introducing something very special. Che bro.